What's up, guys? Albert Down back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about BMO business line of credit that goes up to $50,000. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. So this business line of credit is for Black and Latin businesses. Here they have written, we're proud to be fueling growth for Black and Latin businesses with better access to capital, educational resources, meaningful network, and opportunities. So if you scroll down here it says get easier access to capital for your business, enjoy flexible funding and access to learning and network opportunities. Our lending program currently available with BMO branches allows Black and Latin owned businesses to get the financial support needed to succeed. So as you guys can see here, it's a revolving business line of credit that goes up to $50,000 that allows you to pay only interest on what you borrow. So for example, out of the $50K, if you only borrow $10K monthly, you'll only be paying for the $10K plus whatever the interest is on top of that. You also get a 0.25% rate discount on your line of credit when you set up automatic payments for BMO business. Also get improved access to funding with our specialized lending criteria. All right, here I also have some more data points for you guys. So this goes up to $50K line of credit. In the past, they also had a $50K credit card as well, and it would basically be whatever one you guys do get approved for, and it will be to a total of $50K with BMO Harris for this Black and Latin, like they have written here, Black and Latin for Black and Latin businesses. So I don't know if they're still doing that because on the website they only put line of credit, but it's either or. It's basically for both of them. So let's say, for example, you only get $25K for the line of credit. You could go back and get another $25K with the credit card. That's what they were doing before. So you guys can see if they're still doing that and talk to them about that. So this is also not in every state. So if this is currently not where you're currently, whatever you currently are, what state you're in, you could foreign file in that state if needed and get a business address in that state. You could bring your passport to the bank and open up a bank account with that state, and that would basically be foreign filing. So also, guys, if this is something you're looking for some help with, I actually have a program where I help people fund their trading accounts, businesses, real estate projects, e-com stores, any type of business or investment. We currently have two offers. We have a coaching program and we have a completely done for you program as well, where we just take over and do everything for you. We help you stack 0% cards, 0% business interest cards, and lines of credit as well, and whatever other loans you or business products you're interested in, we help you with that as well. All right, guys, here are some data points for the business credit card with them. You want to be at least at a 620 credit score. Obviously, 700 or more is always where you want to be at, but they're willing to accept you if you have a 620 credit score. So for the business credit card, you could have an LLC that's any age, bank account with the bank, also less than 5 inquiries. You usually want to be under 3 inquiries to maximize approvals. Also keep in mind, you guys could remove inquiries that are business credit inquiries. So let's say, for example, you guys get approved for a business credit card. That business credit card won't get linked on the personal side, even though you guys do get the inquiry on the personal side, because business credit cards are PG'd. So it doesn't get linked after you get approved. So you could remove business credit inquiries whether you got approved or denied. All right, guys, here are the data points for the business line of credit. Similar 620 credit score, obviously 720 recommended. And then you want to, for the business line of credit, your LLC, you want it to be at least 2 years in business for the line of credit. And this will be 95% no doc. So by no doc, that means no paycheck stubs, no tax returns, etc. What most of the what most of the banks usually will ask for. They have the no doc program that won't ask for any of that. If your corporation is not 2 years, what I recommend you guys could do is get an aged corp if yours is new, and that will be a great investment when it comes to getting lines of credit, because the majority of lines of credit, majority of banking institutions that give you lines of credit want you to be at least 2 years or older. Amex does do one if you're at least 1 year. I have a separate video on that. But yeah, the majority of banks want you to be 2 years or older. So what I would recommend doing is getting an aged corp. If you guys need help with that, you guys can DM me or book a call below, and somebody from my team will help you out with that. And yeah, so like I said earlier, if you only got 25K on the line of credit, you could go back and try getting another 25K on the business credit card. And real quick here, I wanted to show you guys this toward the bottom of the page. So right here it says for businesses with annual revenue of 10 million or less and total combined credit exposure at BMO of 50K or less that are at least 51% owned and controlled by individuals that self-identify as blacks or Latinos. Businesses must provide a certificate of good standing from one of the 50 US states or tribal national legal code. So you guys could read this part and confirm everything here before you fully go through with applying for this. And yeah, that's it for this business line of credit video. Just to recap, you want to be at least at a 620 credit score, 2 years in business. If you don't have that, you could always get an aged corp, and this is going to be no doc. So that's the great part about this line of credit. All right, guys, I hope that was a helpful video with a lot of practical takeaways. Don't forget to like the video if you got some value. Comment down below if you applied for this and got approved, and whatever other cards you guys will be applying for with them. And check out all the links below and slap the subscribe button if you still haven't. And I'll see you here in the next video.